Hi everyone, this is Jody from Northern Country Creations, and good afternoon. It's Sunday, and so I was working on a password book. I have a tablet. You know, we have so many passwords for everything, and it's hard to keep track of passwords, and then it's frustrating to not have your passwords. So this is a little tiny book, and it's called I Wish You Bluebirds. And I just thought this was just a wonderful little book. And it's a Hallmark book, and it's really cool. It kind of has a linen cover to it. And let me zoom in a little more. Sorry about that. So let's zoom in a little more so you can get a really good close-up picture of it. So let's just check it out. I just thought it was fun. I made this for myself, and I haven't never made a little book like this. So this is almost 6.25 by 4 and maybe 1/8. So, and it's small, and I didn't do anything to the spine. So what I did is I gutted it all out, and so what I did is I got it out, and just, so it was just the book cover, and then I took a whole bunch of vintage book pages, and then of course I kept some of the pages that were in the book. So I Wish You Bluebirds. So, and what I did is I just kept some of the pages, and then I left, these are all just vintage book pages in like little stationaries. And then I like birds, so I kind of wanted something cool to look at. So this is, let me get a little bit better in frame here. So this is what I created. And so I left lots of room to record passwords, but yet lots of little things to look at. Here's some vintage, a ledger book. Some more pages out of a vintage book. Some graph paper. Some more birds. And blank pages to write all of my passwords. Here's another part. This is a page from the book. And they're just little sentimental sayings. A nice butterfly. Some more birds. Some beautiful little stationery paper. Some ledger paper. And this is just a cute little book that I can keep by my end table or throw at my purse if I'm traveling and I need it. I just thought this was just so cool. I really didn't, I fell in love with this book, and so the cover of it, and so I just said, you know what, how can I use that? And so I just created this little password book. And so, it has plenty of room in it, plenty of room. And I just love all the little things. I just put in book pages. There's nothing digital in here. So yeah, I just thought I would share this, and maybe it'll inspire someone to make a little password book for themselves. And so yeah, that's that's it. So that is my little password book, and of course I didn't want it to say passwords on it, so when somebody sees this, they're not going to think that it's a password book. So I just thought I would share this with you. I just thought this thing was darn cute, and I can't wait to start putting all my passwords in it, get rid of all of my notes everywhere that I have, and so I'll have everything in one nice little place, and it'll be cool to look at and to use. So yeah, let me know if you like it, and if you have any questions on how I did it, feel free to ask in the comments. And I hope everybody's doing well. And if you like my videos and want to see some more, let me know. Please subscribe and share if you like. And enjoy the rest of your Sunday afternoon. All right, thank you.